28 days ago that these alien ships were positioned on this small city. No one knows for sure with what purpose they arrived. The inhabitants have gone from astonishment to apathy. The people of this northern town take the presence of these alien motherships as natural. The National Guard were located a safe distance from extraterrestrial ships waiting for some kind of communication from them. It is unknown if they have come for hostile purposes. The local authorities have not given further details. While the population tries to continue with their normal life, many cannot ignore the ships and assume that when they attack, it will be the end of everything. If the arrival of these ships is a previous alien invasion, nobody knows. But indeed, many argue that this would be the prelude to a large-scale alien invasion on a world scale.